Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Kayla from the YouTube channel Panko Bunny, and today we're making some homemade Pop Tarts and we're decorating them to look like pop, mousse, and snap. So I'm so excited to make these with you guys today. Homemade Pop Tarts are my absolute favorite and they're awesome because you can add whatever you like inside them. So we have some suggested fillings today based on the characters, but you can use whatever you like, which I absolutely love. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to make the Pop-Tart dough. So what you need to make the dough is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup of cold unsalted butter cut into cubes, and 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of cold water, and 1 beaten egg. Okay, so first to make the dough, mix together the flour, salt, and sugar in a food processor. Add the butter and pulse until it turns into a crumbly meal-like texture. Drizzle over the ice water, and then pulse until the dough sticks together when squished together. Shape the dough into a ball, wrap it in plastic wrap, and place it in the fridge for 1 hour or until firm. Roll out the pie dough on a floured surface to an 18-inch by 14-inch rectangle. Trim the edges with a sharp knife, and then slice into 9 rectangles. So now we're going to go into the fillings. So for pop, we're using some strawberry jam. For mousse, we are using some Nutella. And for snap, we're using some orange marmalade. But again, you can use whatever you like. Spin the fillings onto half of each rectangle. Then fold the rectangles in half and seal all 4 sides with a fork. Then brush the surface with a beaten egg. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until golden brown. And next we're going to make the glaze for the Pop Tarts. What you're going to need is 3 tablespoons of whipping cream, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar. So you want to combine the whipping cream, vanilla extract, and confectioner sugar. Then divide the glaze into bowls and dye it pale purple, deep purple, gray, red, pale green, and bright green with some food coloring. And now we are going to decorate the Pop Tarts to make them look like our favorite Best Fiends characters. So to decorate them, you're going to need some vanilla frosting that you've dyed pink, brown, yellow, black, green, and red. Some mini marshmallows and some melted yellow candy melts. So first you want to coat some mini marshmallows in melted yellow candy melts and set them on a plate lined with parchment paper. And pop them in the fridge until they're set for about 15 minutes. Then spoon the glaze on top of the Pop Tarts and decorate with some vanilla frosting to look like each character. Use the yellow marshmallows as Snap's feet, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Comment down below and tell me what characters you would make into Pop Tarts. And if you'd like to see some more Best Fiends YouTube videos, make sure to subscribe to their YouTube channel, which is this channel right here. And if you would like to see some more recipes or if you have some requests, definitely leave them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to make those happen. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you saw these little goodies behind me and you want to pick them up for yourself, we will have them linked in the description box below, so definitely go check it out. And if you'd like to see more of me and my baking, I make a ton of videos off on my channel, so head on over to youtube.com/pankobunny and check out my channel if you would like. I would love to see you there. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.